Okay, got a second pair for the holidays from my girlfriend. I don't even... Looks like 990s. I don't even know what color. I can't even read it. It doesn't even say the color. Right? Can you guys see the color? I can't tell the color. Oh, snap. Oh, she got these from Kith. Okay. Wow. Look at that. I like this color more than the green one. These are going to get dirty real fast. So yeah, 990 V4. Let's look at the tongue. Made in the USA tongue. Oh, these are nice 990s. Oh. Okay, here's one without the laces, so it's easier to see. These are real nice. I like these more than the other green ones. Wait, let me get the other green ones. Which one do you guys like more? I don't know. I don't know. I'm kind of digging the 990s more. Right? I wonder which one costs more. That's the question. The tongue is really nice. I like the tongue. This one's more like a running shoe. Okay. That's it for now. Thank you.